Happens if you received a letter from the registry suspending your license for immediate threat? I'm Michael DelSignore, a Massachusetts OUI lawyer handling registry cases every day, and I'm going to answer that question for you. First, there's no need to go to the registry. The registry is not going to give you your license back on an immediate threat. What you have to do is you have to file an appeal with the Board of Appeals. It's going to cost $50, and the Board of Appeals is going to want to see certain things once they give you a date. So if your immediate threat is related to, say, an OUI case, they're going to want to see evidence that you've done some kind of alcohol treatment, counseling. They may impose the ignition interlock prior to reinstating your license if the case is still pending. Once the case is resolved, they would typically remove the immediate threat and any conditions if it's a first offense OUI, such as the interlock, and once you go into the 24D program. But on an immediate threat, a lot of people think you can't get your license while the case is pending. The board will allow, in some cases, not all cases, you to get your license back while the case is pending. You just need the right documents, and you need to know how to argue the case before the Board of Appeals. It's a three-judge panel, so to speak. If you're suspended for immediate threat and it's a drug arrest, they're going to want to see evidence of negative drug screens. So the important thing is to make sure you have the documents that the board's going to require to try to get your license back. You want to take some action, do some things that addresses why the license was suspended. So the Board of Appeals can consider things that a court may not consider. They're going to read the report. They're going to look at the whole facts and circumstance of the situation. So if you have a case, an immediate threat suspension, feel free to contact us. We've gotten these suspensions vacated in numerous cases. We have results all over our website about people who have gotten their license back as a result of going to the Board of Appeals, where they're almost on a weekly basis arguing for someone to get their license reinstated. So if you have any questions about immediate threat, feel free to contact me. My name is Michael DelSignore. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions.